Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make an Arabic dessert. It's like cookies stuffed with pistachios. If you want to know how I make this recipe, please follow up with the video. To make this recipe, we need 500 gram of sifted all-purpose flour. You have to sift it. 200 gram of ghee. 200 gram of pistachios. Rose water, 1 teaspoon of rose water. 1 teaspoon of blossom water. Sprinkle of mehlab. Sprinkle of salt. Quarter cup of honey. 1 cup of cold water for the dough. In cups, this ghee is 1 measuring cup, and the flour in measuring cups, 3 measuring cups. Now I have to rub the flour with the ghee in order to let all the flour coat all the ghee with my hands. First, I will put a sprinkle of salt and a sprinkle of mehlab. If you have it, you have it. If you don't have it, it's not very much necessary. Then I will put the ghee on the flour. The ghee must be in room temperature. Now I will rub the flour with the ghee. You can use butter if you don't have ghee, but ghee is better. Like this, with your palms. How do you know that the fat is suitable for is good for the flour? You take a full hand of this mixture and you press like this in your palm, and you see if you have this mass, this amount collected together like this, then you know that the fat is good to the flour. You can make the ghee from the butter by boiling the butter on the stove on between the medium and the low heat. After boiling for like half an hour, you can see the ghee goes up and the butter and the milk in the butter goes down in the bottom. Then you can take the upper part, which is the ghee from the butter, and you can use it like a ghee. After we rub the flour with the ghee and be sure that all the flour coat all the ghee, then I will put it in the fridge. Now we crack this pistachios in this way, roughly. You can use toasted pistachios or raw pistachios as you want. I will put half teaspoon of ghee or butter on this pistachios. One teaspoon of blossom. 1 teaspoon of rose water, optional. Both of them are optional. 2 tablespoons of honey. If you don't want to use the honey, you can use any kind of syrup, like sugar syrup. You can make it by boiling 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water and some lemon juice, like 2-3 drops of lemon juice. I use the honey. You can use the honey also. Now I will mix all the ingredients here together very well. Now I took it out from the fridge. It's like you see, it's very cold. Now I want to, as you see here, to separate it from each other again in order to prepare it for kneading. But be careful not to make it hot. You have to keep it cold. Now I will put a quarter of a cup of honey over the dough, 2 tablespoons. Now I mix the honey with this mixture, the flour and the ghee. Here, cold water. I will put 1 cup of cold water here. Now I will not knead the dough, I will collect the dough. I put 1 cup of cold water. Be careful, the water must be cold, not hot. And I will collect the dough in this way. Now after we collect all the dough here, I will put it back in the fridge to relax for 30 minutes. Now this is the pistachios, the stuff. So we make it like balls, like this, to fill it in the dough. You have to keep the dough in the fridge. Don't let it out because you have to use it cold, not in the room temperature. This is our recipe is ready now. It's called ma3mool in Arabic. Cookies and pistachios. It's very delicious. I hope you try it and see how delicious it is. If you like the video, don't forget the like. Bye bye.